what's the deal? It's your boy Rage Longinus, and I'm back with another video, y'all. And today, me and Ultraus is about to go up against Rage Longinus, one of the strongest sparking bays there is, man. One of the strongest bays known to mankind. So threatening the 3D printed bays, man. We're about to go in and see if me, the Pharaoh, can take out and shut down this Rage, man. So if you can do me a favor, be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and hit that bell for all notifications on when I drop a video. Till then, let's get it. To Rage. Okay. One. There's 3, 4. I'll be 3. Damn, it bursted me? What? Shit. What the fuck? Right after we won, bro, that motherfucker, bro. Yo, that's never happened before. What the wow, when I get on camera, this would happen. And only way to be able to. You know what to do. Oh, shit. Yes. Power. Damn, it bursted me again? Shit. Texas, man. Yeah, guys, that was the end of the battle. As you see, my boy Ultraus just smashed Rage Longinus, but it did give us 1 for our money. As you can see, bro, the thing bursted us, man. Crazy. And moved our burst stoppers and bursted us. And freaking bursted us, man. I don't know how the heck I thought this thing would never burst, bro, and I didn't. And I ain't gonna lie, this is the first time I used full power launches in a battle. because I'll be trying to reserve my launchers. So just note that, and when you fully use Pharaohs full power, you got to use it full power against other lefts. Otherwise, it's not going to do so good if you use mediocre launches. Man, thing wasn't even in all the way.